Okay, welcome po tayo sa aking Senge. For tonight po tayo na playing Violet or Lakers mode po yan. Paborito po nila, yan po ang Airport United versus, of course, multicolor print po sila o yung PC21 Boys. PC21 Boys po. Yan ha. Okay, maglalaro po.
Double beef burger.
Sige na, sige. Okay, second game po tayo nga na.
Pag tinawagan ka, anin mo to ha?
Okay, second game po tayo nyo, PC21 versus Airport United. Idol, uy, ba't yung mechanicos dito?
Airport United.
Ha? Okay, si Jerabe will play also for Airport United, ha? Jeremy, okay. Muli po, Airport United versus PC21 Boys. Yan po yan. This is your dog friendly dub as a Titos and Titas League po natin with brought to you by the following sponsors. Team LBC Hanin Padala and ano pa yan? Meron pa maano, sorry. Okay, lulupo na Team LBC Hanin Padala and Thread Needles. Saan po natin po dyan ang SBB ako representation and PSB Basketball League. Second game for tonight po is, of course, yan po ang PC21 Boys versus Airport United. And after this po is, of course, Boleros and Oryx Basketball Team. Okay, enjoy mo po tayo sa ating second game for tonight po. That's PC21 Boys versus Airport United. Okay. Okay, of course, also PC21 Boys also still looking for his first win. And of course, nandiyan po kanilang builder, si Mr. Lokias. Yan po yung Lokias at si Idol po yan. Yan, one of the heroes po ng ating pong hardcourt. With Rex also and company. Dito na po, nandiyan si Corpus. Si Bob, nandiyan din. Of course, si SG, si Grama. Si Kandol, installer po kay Jamal yan. Ang pips po ni Jamal. Si Boss Reggie, nandiyan din. Install po niya ang pips si Jamal. Of course, si Yorme, nandiyan si Yorme. At ibang mga players po natin. Okay. We have to start right now. Okay, tapos na po. Okay, AJ now. AJ, congratulations. Captain AJ saves the day, ha? Captain AJ saves the day for Team In Flight, ha?
All the guys played really well today.
Okay, it's good.
Look, let's start tonight.
Boys. And now who's who? Okay. Also with us also early bird po siya. That's Mr. Chudilax, number 77 ng Team Oryx. Okay, let's start right now. First quarter action on the way now. Wala pa pong uniforme po ang PC21 Boys, kaya kung ano po yung kanilang suot po, yun po ang sasabihin ko. Versus, of course, yan po ang Airport United o yung playing po yan na Violet Lakers motive po tayo. Idol, ako si Big J, Big Jamuyit yan. Si Big J. Say goodbye, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless po. Thank you. Okay, first quarter action. Of course, si number 0, si Lokias, number 3, number 10, at si number 6. Kalaman po nila po si Airport United ng po. Yan po ang nandiyan si Ramos, si SG, si Reggie, si number 30, at si Yorme, si Jomran. Okay, Ramos versus number 0.
The cheat code.
Kung ano nga rin? Sige, ano lang. Okay.
The voices.
Okay.
Message ko.
Ano nangyari?
Isang bola daw.
Okay, nadala yata. Calling po yung bola po. Nadala yata yung bola po. Pakibalikan po.
King, okay?
Okay. Wala, okay. Oh, erase. Okay, first, nakuha Yorme again. Yorme. Binabantay si Yorme na number 6. Eric Grama against Lokias. Grama. Eric. Grama to Yorme. Ayan, Jomran. 2 points, Jomran. Jomran, 2 points. Si Lokias. Lokias, number 3. Number 10, against Jomran. Number 6, against Yorme. Thinking 3, ayaw. Number 0, malang sa pasa, patas ang pasa pati. Balik muli pong bola sa Airport United. Airport United. Yorme to SG. Reggie Bertos, kumuko ng pick. Yorme for 3. No good. Balik tayo. Number 3. Number 0. Malakas. Raymond Barrow won by Jomran. Jomran almost had the ball swipe. Binali po si Eric Grama at Yorme. Yorme. SG for 3. Yorme. Ayaw. Easy shot. No good. Rebound. Ramos. Hindi nakuha. Lokias against Yorme. Lokias, sidestep move. 2 points, Lokias. Galing. May bali pa rin si Lokias hanggang ngayon. Hoy! Yorme again, Yorme. Hindi po mapayag, mapagulang. Yorme nga, Jomran. SG for 3. Bang! And number 0. Thinking 3, ayaw. Number 0, naipit ang konti. Lokias for 3. No good. Number 10, nope, still completed. Foul called by Ref King. So, Ref King called for the foul. Si number 6, dahil sa play sana, pero nakita. Yorme, inbounding, of course, receiving the ball. Yorme, binababa ang bola. Yorme, bring down the ball. Eric Grama, nandun si Lokias. Lokias against Yorme. Against Jomran. Number 6. Pops up. Pahirap, difficult shot. Number 0. Easy shot. 2 points. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. I think 2 all. Sabi ko. Okay, 4-2. No, 4-5, sorry. Still completed again. Rosario against Yorme. And same ball. Balik po sa Airport United bola. Nice hustle play by Yorme. Okay, balik po tayo. Nice hustle play po tayo. SG po tayo si SG number 4. SG pops up. No good. Number 3. Balik tayo. Number 3. Lokias, zigzag its way. Lokias. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound battle won by PC21 boys. Number 0, 2 points. 7-4 ang lowest score po natin. 6-5 better. 6-5. Lamang po ang PC ng isa. Jomran for 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Binato ka agad ang bola kay Lokias. 2 points. Lokias, 2 points. Jomran, 8-5 na po ang score po natin. Umaalagwa ng paunti-unti ang PC21 boys. Yorme, kapos. Rebound battle. Again, Lokias against Yorme. Against Jomran, floater shot. 2 points to Lokias. Lokias, 2 points. Yorme. Reggie. Scaling the defense. Yorme again. Reggie Reggie. Nandun, ganda ng passer ni Reggie. Passer talaga. Naman ang bola. Pa! Walang tawag. Palang, pa. And, nice one. 2 points. Hoy! Change 5. Okay, change 5 po tayo. This time around, ayan po si Jeremy, si Corpus, si number 8, si Candol, nandiyan si Candol din. At si number 23, si Bob. Jeremy. Okay, Jeremy. O, Jeremy. Malakas ang pasa. Okay, Corpus, hindi na ko yung pasa. Okay, take note, wala po si Salud ha, wala rin si Cabral. Na medyo short-handed po ngayon ng Team Airport United. Number 10 muli, Vitor, no good. Bob, nandun si number 10. Ayan, still completed. 2 points. Don't look now, a 9-point lead advantage now been toasted by PC21 boys over Airport United. Idol, ingat Idol. Okay. Again, Jeremy. Nice pass, wala. Pass broken, Jeremy nasa likod. Number 6, still completed. Yes, sir, still completed. Candol. Max Payne Candol. Ayan na, pumapasok. Candol. Number 6, sa ipit. Palpal, may foul. Foul called. Vitor called for a foul. Okay, number 6 shooting for 2. Pasok. Number 6 second throw jumpers, ready po tayo. Basket made. Scott calling out the shots para sa Airport United ha. Oy, good ball. Number 10, nalampasa. Balik. Candol. Jeremy. Pinasa nga Corpus. Intercepted. Ibanez. Number 10. Mutik na. 2 shots given para kay Ibanez. Para kay number 10, sorry. Number 10, PC21 boys shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Ang score po natin 14-7. Daman po ng 7 ang PC21 boys. Basket made. Walo po kalamangan. Max Payne Candol. Sir Francis, nasan kayo? Foul! Ouch. That hurts. Game. Candol. For 3. Bang! Number 10 against Candol. Number 10. Candol, binabantay si number 10. Candol, kumat. Pero may foul called. Kumat si number 10. Foul on Candol for sure. Ang score po natin 15-10. Laman po ng 5 ang PC21 boys over Airport United. Traveling call by the referee. Number 11 call for the traveling ng PC21 boys. That's Vivas. 27. Bob. Si Bob. Jeremy for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by number 6. Naipit. Swiped away. Bibas. Ibanez. Naipit ng konti. Touch pass. No good. Isa pa. And one play binigay. Corpus called for a foul. 51 seconds remaining. The score is 17-10. Plus 1 free throw pa po yan. Thank you, sir. Okay, Walter. Pasok sana, hindi. Corpus sa rebound. Jeremy, doon na pa binabang bola. Pops up, Bob. Malakas. Rebound, Jeremy, maipit. Foul call. Foul on Jeremy. Foul on Bibas. Jeremy shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. 38 seconds remaining. First quarter now winding down. Tapos na po ang first quarter. Halos. Wala. Rebound number 6. Bob. Jeremy. Nawala ang bola. Patigay. 3-second violation. Okay, wala daw. Sabi ni Scott doon. Binatong bola. Si Kandol. Nice. Still by Kandol. Foul again. Kandol shooting for 2. Kandol, number 8. Yan po ang kauna-unang number ni Kobe Bryant, ha? Nung siya yung kasama natin sa mundong ito. Siya naglalaro pa. Pops up. Kandol, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Kandol, second shot, jumpers ready. Isko, Francis Munoz, nasan ka? Where na you? Dito na mi. Okay, Kandol, second throw, pasok ang bola. Yan po, sir. Salamat, sir. Opo. Okay, Ibanez, nice steal. Kandol, nandun. Steal complete. Lomos, Yarabe. Pasok ang bola. And that completes na first quarter action. The score is 17-14. Lamang na lang po ng tatlo ang PC21 boys. Salamat sa sa 3-point shot ni Jeremy. Nakabalik ang Airport United at the closing seconds po ng first quarter action. Okay, second quarter po tayo. Volleyball. Second quarter po tayo. Of course, sa kabila na po, number 12. Si number 13, si Reggie na naman. Of course, si Mr. XC sa kabila na po. Si number 10, si number 6, si Lokias, si number 0, at si number 00. Airport United ball. AU ball, AU. Both bars. Second quarter pa lang po, sir. Second quarter pa lang. Okay, correction. PC21 boys po mga points sa ngayon. PC21 boys. Okay, number 0. Number 0 inbounding to Lokias, number 3. Rex for 3. Nope. Arba. Reggie. Pinasa kay number 23. Ang bola. Shoutout sa top sa katutong referee. Okay, 2 points. AJ, thank you God bless.
Thank you.
Take care, AJ.
Next week.
Okay, next week, sir. Rosario against number 12. Rosario nakalusot. Pops up. Wala. Reggie naka-rebound. Ayan naman, push muli. 23, nagmamadali. 23, walang pinasahan. Balik muli po sa PC21 boys ang bola. Serpe, paano lang? Sihir lang ako. Paano lang? Pag ganun lang. Yan, tama lang. Pati yung kwintas po. Serpe, pasasalamat ha. Okay, ano muna ako? Oh, pag pwede kang magsalita, sige. Sit down muna.
Can I try it?
Wait, here, you stand up here. There, free throw.
What's pizza?
Shooting the free throw. Follow the ball.
Where is it? There's it. Dada, you're where is it? Dada, where's the ball? Dada, where's the ball? Where is it? There's a ball.
Move too much. Stay there, yeah. Stay in.
Ooh. Where's the ball?
Salamat, Serpe. Okay. Thank you po sa Serpe family ha. Thank you po sir ha. Thank you ha. Thank you sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you po sir. Okay, back to the ball game ni po tayo yun. Okay, the score is 18 all. At 6:47 remaining. Tumabla na po ang Airport United sa PC21 boys. Yan po. Okay, balik po tayo. Bob, number 23, shooting for 2. It's in. Okay, lamang muli. Lamang muli po ang Airport United over PC21 boys. Second shot, Bob. No good. Ramos. Bob, daw walang bola kay Bob. Boss Reggie. Oy! Nice hustle play ni Boss Reggie. Nice hustle play kay Boss Reggie. 6:31 remaining. 23 pops up. Bang! 18-21. Again, lead po muli po ang Airport niya over PC21 boys. Number 0, Thinking 3. Wag mo na raw. Number 22. Number 6. 0. Number 3. Lokias. Loquias, number 0. Toko. Rebound. Nice, Lima Beramos. Bob. Wala, hindi ko mabat. Hindi ko magat. Hindi nakagat. Number 0. No good. Number 12, naka-rebound. 23. Naku, sayang. Eric. 2 points, Eric. Buti nandun si Eric. Balik muli po tayo. 0. The score 18-24. Lamang na po ng 6 ang Airport United over PC 21 boys. Number 20, number 0. Pops up, Loquias, no good. Rebound, Eric. Eric naman naka-rebound. Eric. Reggie. Hey! Okay, change 5 muli po tayo. The score is 18-24. Billy Shen is watching. Okay, second line na po tayo yun. Nandiyan po si Yorme, si Corpus, si Candol, si Jomran, at si Jeremy. Kabila na po si number 8, si Vivas Ibanez, si number 10, at si number 8. Yan. Balik tayo. Hounded. Ibanez, hinahound po siya ngayon. Number 10, pops up, 2 points ang galing, floater shot made. Candol, binababa ang bola, 18-24. Laman po ng 6. Candol. Yorme, pops up, nope, ayaw. Candol, Jeremy for 3. Nope, rebound number 8. Jomran, wala ka sa pasa. Ginagamit niya ng Airport United ang double combination ni Yorme at saka ni Candol. Yorme, pops up for 3. Pasok sana ang bola, wala. Hey! Same ball. Nice guard. Nice hustle play. Number 10, running shot, wala. Corpus sa rebound. Foul goal. Number 8, shooting for 2 for sure. Akong shooting po yan. Number 8, shooting for 2 po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Second shot jumper siya. Hindi pa para kay number 8. Second shot po tayo para po kay number 8. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Rebound battle won by number 10. Number 10, naipit. Palpal. Number 8 naman, swipe away. Candol, nagmamadali. Candol. Siyempre, 2 points, Candol. Full court press. Foul, Yorme. They're going for a full court press. Number 10, Harabe, sinulubong. Vivas, number 11. Ayun, number 6, 2 points. 20-26, 2:09 remaining. Second quarter action. Candol, binababa ang bola. Candol naman. Against from Yorme, foul called. Ibanez called for the foul. Candol for the inbound again. Jeremy, Yorme for 3, ayaw. Jeremy, Candol for 3, no good. Number 10, foul on Yorme, nahuli ka doon, boy. Back-to-back fouls committed by Yorme. Penalty situation po ang Team Airport United at 1 minute 29 seconds ng second quarter action. Sir Isa is watching. Sir Bill is watching also. Number 10. Wala. Second shot. Jump straight po tayo. Yorme. Number 10 again. Pasok. 21-26. 5 ang Airport United over PG21 boys. Binababa ang bola. Candol, number 8. Jeremy, Jeremy, Pinato, Yorme for 3. Malakas, Jomran. Wala. Oy! Candol, Corpus, Jeremy, malakas. Typical shot and Candol called for the foul. Candol, penalty situation. Okay, number 8, shooting for 2. Bryant. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumper's ready. 52 seconds remaining. Bryant, second throw, pops up. Wala pareho. Almost had it. Pero may foul on Jeremy. Still penalty situation pa rin po ang Airport United. 51 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Patapos na. Wala pa rin. Second shot. 24. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Basket made. 4. Candol, Yorme, malakas. Yorme, Candol, ay! Good ball. Backing violation by the referee. So, backing violation on Candol. Trap down. Sabi trap. Ayun, number 10. Foul pa rin. Medyo underman game sila kasi wala yung mga big man nila, the likes of Cabral and of course si Panakabulan. Basket made. 17 seconds remaining. Salud. Ibanez, binabalik si Candol. Out of bounds. Number 10, no good. Okay. Tapos na po. Okay. Halftime po tayo, halftime. Back to the ball game ulit tayo. Third quarter action on the way. Tatabig. Okay, third quarter action po tayo. Third quarter action. Third quarter action on the way po tayo ngayon. Okay, third quarter action po tayo ngayon. Third quarter action. Balik po tayo po sa third quarter action. Si Grama for the inbound. Eric Grama inbounding. Number 4, SG. Of course, si Bob. Eric. Bob. For 3. Inline, wala. Rebound. Number 10. Binababa, number 10. Nagmamadali, number 10. Number 10. Swiped away. Number 6. Bob. Buska. SG. SG. No good. Number 10. Binatong bola. Nice inbound. Nice steal. Still completed again. Balik muli po tayo. Airport United. Pops up. 2 points. Sweet shot. Binatong na naman. Lokias. Wala. Denied. Pops up. No good. Lokias sa rebound. Binato. Ayun, mag-isa siya. Naku, sayang. Lokias. Nice pass. Hoy! Traveling violation called by the referee. Ramos. SG. Bob. Ramos. Pero may foul yan. Reneg. Reneg yung tapik. Reneg. Yung hampas. Ramos. Reggie. Reggie driving. Slicing. Nice one. Nice beat. Nice box out to Reggie. Reggie creating space for the shooter. Rosario, number 6. 23-30. 7 minutes naman. Number 0. Wala. Rebound. Battle won by Ramos. Binato. Nandun si number 0. Number 0. Binato. Number 0 muli. Binato muli. And now to number 10. Number 10. Number 10. 2 points number 10. Nice dive. Nice drive. A great drive by number 10. 23. Eric. 6:25 remaining. 23. Reggie. Reggie slicing. Reggie. Foul on Reggie. Ouch. Reggie called for a foul. Balik tayo. Again, Ibanez. Number 11. 0. Number 10. Uy, foul. Sumabit yung pasa. Number 6 called for a foul. Airport United. Number 6, Airport United called for a foul. Lokias. Rebound number 6. Nadapa. Hoy! Foul called. Who's foul rep? Orsuha called for a foul. Oh, JP, kalita. Okay, number 0 muli po tayo. Inbounding. Number 0. Ibanez. Rosario, Ibanez. Number 0. Lokias for 3. No good. Rebound number 6 again. Eric. Reggie. Reggie, pumasa muna. Ayaw mo. Eric, pumipwesto. Bob. For 3. No good. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Rosario. Rosario. 0. 2 points, Lokias. Team Airport United. Hindi nagugustuhan ng Airport United nangyari sa kanila ngayon. They call for a timeout. This is you're watching right now the team between Airport United versus PC21 Boys. This game is sponsored by SBB Pilipinas, ako, representation PSBQ. And of course, ang ating main sponsors, Thread and Needles and Team LBC Hanay Padala. Ito ang liga ng mga titos and titas. Doha Friendly League. Live po tayo ngayon sa, of course, Cambridge International School in Hilal. Balik tayo po sa laro po natin, 27:30. Kandol pinasok na. Kandol pinasok na po. Yorme. Nandun si Lokias. Muntik na. Yorme for 3. No good. Until now. Rosario. Palpal. Foul on number 0. Foul number 0. Okay, Winlin says it's only an ordinary foul. Okay, Kangdol. Yorme Kangdol combination. Nice steal. And sampo bola red. Same ball. Same ball daw, same ball. Sabi rin, same ball. 27:30 pa rin. Scoreless pa rin po ang Airport United. Jeremy, Kandol. For 3. No good. Okay, nice guard by Lokias. 3:14 remaining. Third quarter action is going to close. Boleros at Oryx, nasa na kayo? Dito na mi, where na you? 0. Pops up. Bang! Ayaw. Rebound number 10. Naku, muntik pa. Okay. Boleros versus Oryx. Where na you? Dito na mi. Pops up. Pasok. First shot is in. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Both basket made. Again, a striking distance na naman ng MPC21. 1 point dito naman kalamangan ng Airport United over PC21 Boys. Jerabe, Kandol, driving strong. Kandol, piyasa muna kay Jomran. Jerabe, pops up for 3. No good. Rebound battle. Yorme, foul ko. No, stepping on the line pala. Sorry. It's stepping on the line. Masakit po yun. Aray, matsakit. 0 against Jomran. 10, running shot. 2 points. Lamang na naman PC21 Boys. Jomran. Ramos. Jomran. Kick pass. Pops up. Kandol. 2 points. Kandol. Binato. Pero natin si Lokias. 2 points. Wala. Let go na yun. Kandol. Yorme. Driving kay Kandol. Ramos. Power move. Hairball. Okay, bola po ng PC21 Boys. Rosario, labas muna para kay Vivas. 33-32. Number 10. Lokias kalusot. Lokias sa ilalim. Vivas. Pops up Ibanez. Wala. Jerabe, naka-rebound. Yorme. Ramos. Power move. Foul. Aray. Labrado is in the house. Balik muli po tayo. Ramos shooting for two. Yung kanyang big man. Pops up. Kapus. Alright. Ramos, second throw. Jumper shot din po tayo. Ramos. No good. Rebound, Jomran. Jomran naka-rebound. Dako. Steal completed. Again, counter steal. Rock. Ano ko sayang. And that's it po tayo. That concludes na our third quarter action. Papasok na po ang fourth and final quarter. The score is 33-32. We have an interesting ball game, guys. Bukbukan po ito between Airport United and PC 21 Boys. PC 21 Boys, still maganda laban po. 10 minutes more, another 10 minutes, malalaman natin kung sino po mananalo. Maraming salamat po sa panunood po right now. Okay, final quarter. Violet po, Violet daw, Violet. Violet. Nag-hellball kasi. Okay, Eric Grama, final quarter starts right now. Number 4, Eric Grama. Eto na. Bob. Grama, Bob again. For 3. Bang! Sa wakas, nakapunto sa wakas ang Airport United. Number 10, diliba, in and out, rebound Ramos, again. Bob din naman si Bob. Bob. Ramos, ay ganda. Naku, nilabas lang. Number 10. Foul on Reggie. Reggie called for a foul. Magkano? Magkano, boss? 40. Kasi mami. Ikaw. Mami rin ko. Boss Reggie called for a foul. Okay, number 10, first shot. Walang kawala. Pasok. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Nice stop. Ramos rebounding. Bob. Mr. Bob. Ross. Pops up. No good. In and out. 34-35. Okay, wag muna raw. Number 10 on the run. Number 10. Nice running shot by number 10. Lamang na naman PC 21 Boys. PC 21 Boys, lamang na naman. Eric Grama, looper shot, no good. 36-35. Number 10 naman, number 10 naging Reggie. Pops up, offline. Nine minutes remaining. 23, 35, 36. Eric Grama, binabatay ni Bisto. Bibiwar, walang pasa. Sayang. Okay, sub muna po tayo. Okay, Jeremy, pasok muna. Para kay Bertos. Vivas, 24. Out of bounds, same ball. Yung kwintas mo, kwintas, hikaw, kwintas. Balik tayo. Nice pass. Super shot. No good. Ayun! 2 points. Okay, lamang naman ng tatlo. 7:57 remaining. Jeremy. Bob for 3. No good. Ayun, Lukyas. Lukyas for 3. No good. Foul. Ursua called for a foul. Number 10, number 0. For 3. No good. Rebound again. White shirts on the rebound. Wala pa rebound dahil sa wakas si Ramos. Grama. Bang! 2 points. Binato. Ayun lang. Lokyas. 2 points din. Binawi. Si Gandol. Nagpapahinga pa. Nice steal. Lokyas. Wala. Eric. For 3. No good. Bob. Ayun. Lokyas. 2 points Lokyas. Don't look now. A 5-point advantage being posted now by Team PC21 boys over Airport United. Naku. Nice one. Jeremy for 3. No good. Rebound. Foul. Ursua shooting for 2. Ursua pops up. It's out. Kinakailangan nila i-shoot yung mga free throw. Ursua, second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Basket made. 4. 42-38. And a timeout called. Oh, sir. Nangyari? Good. Oh. Pops up for 3. No good. Ayun naman. Huwag naman dali. Bob. Bob. Nice ball. Oy. Same ball. Sabi ng referee. Kandol. Jeremy. Kandol. Kandol. Nagmamadali. Ako sayang. Oh. Okay. Rasat Ramos. Number 0. Jomran. Difficult shot. Jeremy. Kandol. Nice trailing job for 3. Taku, in and out. Sayang. In and out. Ayun. 2 points again. Anim ang kalamangan. Jomran. Jeremy.
Number 8,
Andol. Andol ulit. Jeremy. Sa liyon. Saka sa ulok. Backs out. Good. Yun lang. Sayang. Lokyas. Lokyas. 2 points again. Lokyas. to take win number 1 at the expense of Team Airport United. This is an interesting story right now. Okay, malalaman po na after 2 minutes 21 remaining, malalaman natin kung ano ang mangyayari. If PC21 po, idol. If PC21 boys can win it or Airport United can pull it off. 2 minutes 21 seconds remaining. PC21 boys looking to take the win number 1 against Airport United. Kandol, nice hustle play. Reggie, Nando nakuha. Nice hustle play. Kandol. Malakas. Wala na, panic mode na. 1 minute 50 remaining. Number 10. Ayun! Wala. Rebound Ramos. Foul! Who's for rep? Number 6 called for the foul. Number 6 called for a foul. A push. Etang tayo. Eto na, ito naman. Kandol kumat. Kandol. Jump run for 3. Tapos. Okay, Lokias. 2 points again. Underman din. Okay. Play. Sa wakas, nakascore. Kaya pa yan. Kaya pa, sabi ni Scott, kaya pa yan. Ramos, wala. Number 10. But 2 points, number 10. Jomran. Swipe away by number 6. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute 8 remaining. Bob for 3. Bang! Tao muli. Tao. Lokias. 6 lang yan. 59 seconds remaining. Lokias. Foul. Last foul. Foul. Okay, penalty situation. Penalty situation, Team Airport United. The score is 50-44. PC21 boys looking to take win number 1 over Airport United. Laman po ng 6, number 10. 2 points, number 10. Jomran. Bob. Naku, sayang. Nag-rebound ko. Foul. Okay. Number 0, first shot. Pasok. Tagger na yan. Second shot, jumper shot para kay number 0. Number 0, second throw, jumper shot ready. Wala. Raymond Ramos. Kandol. May pag-asa pa yan. They need a 3 points. No good. Kandol silalim. Malakas. Malas talaga. And that's it. Okay, believe so. Laman po ng 7. Okay, laman po ng 7 nga talaga. Laman po ng siyam. Sorry. Number 0. Pasok. Siyam. Ay, 10. Tama, 10. Wala siyang muli yan. 10 nga. And pasok pareho. Okay, that's it. I think so. Wala na. Lost cost na yan. Grama per 3. Bang! 7. Wala na. Okay. Okay, that's it. Congratulations. Final score 57-46. Panalo po ang PC21 boys. Maraming salamat po and sabi po tayo sa next game po. And post game muli po tayo. Thank you very much.